Meet the Fresko AutoMax V6, a fully automatic vacuum sealer. But is it really worth it? Let's see.
All right, let's unbox it. I hope this is good, man, because I've been looking for one of these as well. I do a lot of sous vide, you know. So let's just see what's in the box. I need a knife. I definitely need a knife. First of all, they may have sent me this, but you bet your bottom dollar, like all my reviews, I'll tell you my honest opinion. If it's good, it's good. If it's not, don't buy it. But let's see what this can do. Back in the day when I was doing sous vide, it was quite hard to come by. There weren't very many good vacuum sealers, but times have changed and there are some good ones out. So I'm interested to see how this actual performs. And also apparently it's got a nice sealer as well. So when you're eating chips, and you don't eat all your chips, you can seal it, which I love that. But great. So yeah, I'm interested to actually use it. But the thing is, the first impressions, it looks well made. It's plastic, but it's not like cheaply made. It looks nice, and the weight, it's I'll put the weight down as well. But it's not light, it's not heavy. It's just right. It's just nice, and it's a nice size, so that'll fit nice in the corner of your kitchen somewhere or whatever. But I do a lot of sous vide, so I'm going to be using this for sous vide, if it performs well, that is. But on the whole, it looks nice. So what does it come with? I do like the fact you've got a little how-to manual there just to get you started, which is nice. And also, I do like the fact that it's got some nice hefty roll bags in there, which is good. And apparently there's some inside as well. So what does it come with? Obviously the vacuum sealer, roll bags, 18 by 20. And then you've got the roll bags inside, I presume, yes. Yes, and they are 11 inches by 20, so they're a little bigger. You've got accessory hose, which is nice. You've got the accessory interface, and you've got the user manual. So let's dive in and let's see what it can do.
This is the Fresko AutoMax V6 vacuum sealer. It's a fully automatic dual chamber machine designed for fast, hands-free sealing. It runs on standard 120 volt power at 145 watt, so it works in any US kitchen. What makes it different are the two sealing zones, green for automatic vacuum and seal, red for seal only, with no buttons or lid holding. You also get Pulse Vac for delicate foods, extended seal for wet items, a wide double seal, plus built-in roll storage.
And it does make a noise when I plug it in, so I want you to hear it. I'll plug it in right now. Like a racing car. It's getting ready for something. It feels like it's going to explode. Vroom. Or it feels like it's revving. I don't know. It makes a noise. All right, let's open up and see what we've got. So you've got a cutter here. You've got your green for vacuum and your red for seal. So what I can do is you can roll out the size of your bag, any size you want. Then bring your cutter down like that. And then easy as that. And then to seal it, I can just put it under the red baffle carefully. And it seals automatically. Take that out. It's sealed.
I've cut my bag to the size I need for my marinated salmon, leaving some extra space for the liquid. Then I seal one end by placing the bag under the red bar, closing the lid, and it seals automatically. No pressing needed. Okay, let me show you a good salmon marinade. Get your salmon in the bag, followed by fresh mint, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, red wine vinegar, some good honey, and some minced garlic. Once the marinade is done, I place the open end of the bag under the green bar, and I close the lid to lock it in place. And then I use the Pulse Vac in short presses, keeping an eye on that liquid so it doesn't get pulled into the machine. As soon as the air is out, the machine seals the bag automatically.
Important tip if you want to vacuum moist food, and it says here, for moist food, press and hold the Pulse Vac button and release it before the liquid flows out of the bag. So you've got, when you put it in there and you press and hold the Pulse Vac, you've got to make sure before the liquid starts to rush up to the top, stop. And then you extended seal like I did. I did an extended seal and I just caught it. But there you go. And then it could get all over your machine and then you've got to clean it out. It's fine, but just watch that. It's an important tip. I'm interested to see this. Chip sealer. I'm excited. I don't know why small things excite me, but I'm excited for it to seal the bag. And I normally just put them in like a Ziploc bag, zip them up and hope for the best and just forget about them until I want to use them again. But I know this will do a good job and I probably will be using this. So let's find out.
For dry foods like chips, it's even easier. I place the bag under the red sealing bar, close the lid, and the machine seals it automatically. No vacuum needed. Perfect for keeping snacks fresh without crushing them. I'll be definitely using this a lot. For softer or delicate foods, you can use Pulse Vac to stay in control. But for something like cooked pizza, I'm just letting the machine do its thing. I place the bag under the green bar, close the lid, and it automatically vacuums and seals itself.
All right, it's done salmon. It's done pizza, so they're ready. Now I want to see how it performs with these. These are really delicate. These are easily squashed. You can really squash them. They are delicious. They're my kids, but I want to see if it, holds up and doesn't squash these. So it'll be interesting to see.
Lastly, I wanted to see how this handles really delicate foods. Cheese balls are super light and crush easily, so this is where the Pulse Vac really comes in handy. I place the bag under the green bar, close the lid, and then I use the Pulse Vac in short bursts, so I can stop before anything gets crushed. Once I'm happy with the vacuum level, the machine seals the bag for me. The AutoMax V6 also includes an accessory hose, which lets you vacuum seal containers and special jars instead of bags. This is great for things like vacuum jars, canisters, or marinating containers that are designed for vacuum sealing. I didn't use it in this video simply because I don't have a compatible vacuum jar on hand, but it's a nice option if you use reusable containers instead of bags.
All right, what do I think about the V6? I think it does what it's supposed to do, and it does it well. And I'm impressed with these balls. They're all delicate, and not one is crushed. Light as a feather, well vacuumed. So yeah, I'm impressed with that little function as well. I've got pizza, nicely vacuumed and double seal. I love that sealer. That's really, really good. Got some nice broccoli there, and I got some salmon. Got to watch out for moist food as well. Got to watch out because if you do use the Pulse Vac, which you do with moist food, liquid can shoot up if you're not careful. So you've got to stop it before that liquid shoots up and then do an extended seal. And the extended seal does it really, really well as well. Yeah, nicely sealed. So yeah, all the links and information is below if you want one or just want to read about it. But yeah, I'm impressed. Well made. It does what it's supposed to be doing. And like I said before, I do a lot of sous vide, so I'll be using this for sous vide. Yeah, I'll definitely be using this. Will it last? No idea. But as for now, I'm happy with it. And if you're looking for a vac sealer, get one. All the information below. Thanks, guys.